everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian recipe, and I'm going to make aloo matar with coconut milk. Potato, sweet peas with coconut milk. And this is very easy and a simple recipe. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. 4 medium-sized potatoes, 1 cup sweet peas, 1 can coconut milk, and please make sure that use unsweetened coconut milk. 1 green chili, 2 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, cilantro, spices from masala dabba along with Kashmiri mirch and olive oil for tadka, and 2 cup water. If you don't want to make running gravy, then don't add water. And let's get started. This is what I have done with the potatoes. I peeled it. Once it's peeled, I cut into small pieces and put it into cold water. Leave the potatoes inside the cold water so they won't get discolored. And the next step will be, I'm going to use a blender. This is the tip I wanted to share with you, that cut the tomatoes in small pieces, just like this. Ginger, already peeled it. Make it small pieces so it won't stick in the blade. Put it inside. Garlic is peeled. Green chili. Onion, cut it in smaller pieces. This is an easy recipe, and only thing what we need to do when we're going to cook tadka, we're going to cook it really well. I'll place the cover on. After adding everything into the blender, we're going to start it. Give like a 20-30 seconds, and this is the perfect. It's a nice smooth paste. You just need like a 20-30 seconds. And if we check now, this is looking perfectly fine. Now we'll take this one to the gas and we'll cook it. Coconut can, we're going to open it. And let's start making our delicious aloo matar with coconut milk. Start gas and get a pot. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin seed, 1 teaspoon. Mix it. Cook for 20-30 seconds. Now add our paste, which consists of onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, green chili. So now we're going to cook it really well. Keep it moving and keep cooking. Depending on your burner, it can take up to 5 to 6 minutes. So the timing will depend on your burner. Once it starts to ooze out the oil, there is no more water. Once the tadka is nicely cooked, then we'll add the spices. As you can see, the tadka is fully cooked. If we notice that the oil start to ooze out, and now bring the gas to low, and we're going to add all the spices. Salt is always to taste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon black pepper, coriander powder, half teaspoon, garam masala, half teaspoon, cumin powder, half teaspoon, Kashmiri mirch, 1 teaspoon, as you see, all the spices we're going to add like 1 tablespoon water. Keep it mixing and keep cooking. So cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices with tadka for 1 minute. Add potatoes. We drain the water, so mix it well. Now bring the gas on high and keep it moving and keep cooking. Initially we add 1 tablespoon water with tadka. Now we're going to add half cup more water. Mix it well. On high flame. Cook the potatoes for 5 minutes. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking potatoes with tadka for 5 minutes with open lid. Now we're going to add sweet peas. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add water. So altogether we use 2 cups water. So mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and bring your gas to medium and cook it for 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes on a medium flame. Mix it. And if we check the potatoes, they nicely cut through. So the potatoes are nicely cooked. Now we're going to add coconut milk. Mix it. So once it's nicely combined, on medium flame, cover it again. We'll cook it for 5 minutes. After adding coconut milk, we cook additional 5 minutes on medium flame. So mix it. This is a perfect gravy. If you need more running gravy, you always can adjust water. And now the last ingredient, cilantro, which is coriander leaf, and we call it dhania. Good amount of cilantro. Mix it. Our dish is all ready. Turn off the gas. And I'm going to dish out. I have my serving kadai ready. very delicious aloo matar with coconut milk. Let me share with you. Very tasty and very delicious vegetarian recipe. Aloo matar with coconut milk. It's very creamy, very rich. Please try it and you're going to like it. Please serve with the rice flour, roti, fulka, naan, chapati, tortilla, even bread. And you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. For more delicious recipes, please click on the bell icon so you will get the notification. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.